When you are watching anime, one thing definitely noticed, anime male characters look so powerful. Wide shoulders, sharp abs, string chest, arms. It's not random. In this video, I'll break down the anime body logic with workouts. You can perform all exercises gym and also at home. Let's start. Starting with wide shoulders. Wide shoulders and round delts for a strong V taper. In gym exercise, shoulder press, 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Lateral raises, 4 sets, 12 to 20 reps. Front raises, 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Rear delt fly, 3 sets, 15 reps. At home, pike push-ups, resistance band. Lateral raises, water bottle raises. Perform 2 times per week. Lightweight, slow lateral raises create the illusion of wider shoulders. This is where the anime hero look comes from. Strong chest, thick chest with clear separation. At gym, bench press, 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps. Incline dumbbell press, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Chest fly, 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Push-ups, 2 sets to failure. At home, wide push-ups, decline push-ups, slow pause push-ups. 1 to 2 times per week. Focus more on upper chest. That's what gives the classic shirt-ripping anime look. Sharp abs or six-pack. Clean, sharp anime-style abs, not bulky. Best exercises. Hanging, 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Crunches, 3 sets, 20 reps. Russian twists, 3 sets, 30 reps. Plank, 2 sets, 60 seconds, 4 to 5 times per week. Abs are built in the gym, but revealed through diet and low body fat. Arm, veiny arms with strong forearm. Best exercises. Biceps, 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Barbell curls, 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell curls, 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Hammer curls, 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. For forearms, 2 rounds of 30 seconds wrist curls, reverse curls. Farmer's walk, 2 times per week. Strong forearms make punch and sword scenes look powerful. Leg, explosive strength and a solid anime stand. Gym exercise, squats, 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Leg press, 3 sets, 12 reps per leg. Lunges, 3 sets, 10 reps. Calf raises, 4 sets, 20 reps. At home, bodyweight squats, jump squats, lunges, wall sit, 1 to 2 times per week. Slightly thicker thighs equals strong character vibe. Thin legs make the body look weak. This is bonus. Neck and jawline alpha look. Keep it light and controlled. Neck flexion and extension. 2 sets, 15 reps. Chewing gum, 10 to 15 minutes daily. Simple weekly split. Beginner to intermediate. Day 1, chest plus shoulder. Day 2, back plus arm. Day 3, legs plus ab. Day 4, shoulders plus abs. Day 5, arms plus cardio. Rest and repeat. Wide shoulders, a small waist, and clean abs. Master this combination and the anime male physique is yours.